No, I think there was some proposal of theirs earlier, something what is could give it on lease or something. So I spoke to the TCP minister and who is even urban development minister. So both the same, because the land actually belongs to TCP department, and that ground basically was developed by urban development. So I spoke to him. I said this is the need of the people of the Panjim, and these basically should be handed over to the CCP. And he jolly fully agreed to the thing, and the paper, things are going on. It will come to the cabinet.
No, what will it be for private which have been opposed, or it will be for people of Bengal?
It will be people of Panjim, but we got to see something to do some work, some mechanism as far as the maintenance of the ground also is concerned.
Should be maintained in the proper way.
Yeah, it should be maintained. It just to have a ground, it should not become like a white elephant.
Okay. Last point.